Hey guys, welcome to EZbros. We've got another pack opening today. This time we've got Ethan here with his first opening of this product, which is what is it, Ethan?
Booster tin Tops Match Attack.
Right, so this is a booster tin which apparently has 2 artist cards.
Yep.
Where did you put the box? It's okay, that's fine. So it holds quite a few cards, and there should be 2 limited edition ones in there included as well. So
Okay, let's get into this.
yeah, it is a bit tricky to pop these open.
These are really hard to open.
There we go. Okay.
Okay, here's the
Got scissors if you'd like to cut it open. You good?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Now start from this end.
here we go. Oh wow. Pablo Nedved. So that's our limited edition cards that were included.
And
Bruno Fernandes. Okay, so we'll pop these down over here.
okay.
We'll go through these.
Okay, let's go. Mats
Hummels. Oh, I got no idea. Kubo. Piera.
Max
Phillips. Antonio Silva. Francesco. Mori. I'm trying to read these cards. There we go. That's good. I'll move this out of the way so you can just put them down there. There we go. Inigo Martinez.
Joe
Wilcock. Kyle Walker.
Ooh, Manchester City.
Mesa. Robertson.
San
Maximin.
Phil Rayon.
Foden? I
Prudden.
can't see it. That's okay. Just keep going through them. That's fine. You know the ones that you're looking for.
Yep.
Not sure if we get any of them in this pack, but you never know. Oh, that's nice. So that's a foil. That's a team. That's a team card. Juventus.
Oh, another team.
Celtics. There you go.
Celtics.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, these are upside down there. Be careful of the corners. There we go.
Salah.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. Neymar Jr.
Neymar Jr.
I pulled him.
Wow. That's what you were looking for, wasn't it?
But I don't know by long.
Neymar is going to win this battle. I know it.
Wow.
Oh.
Nico
100
Barella.
club.
The only person that's going to win against Neymar is Ronaldo.
Oh, wow. You got some good cards in here. Here we go. Yeah. There's a signature series.
What is
Next
that?
gen.
Oh.
Declan Rice. Cult hero. Who's that? And midfielder.
I'm not meaning,
There we go.
I'm not
Wow.
meaning to mention this, but Neymar, the only person that will beat him is Ronaldo.
Wow. Oh, wow. That was a pretty good pack there. So this is your Neymar Jr., is
That
it?
was
This
a
is
great
Neymar
hit.
Jr.
Wow. Let's see.
That's amazing.
Okay.
He's doing
Um,
So you happy with that?
This is Neymar Jr. out there.
I tell you what, that's
Yeah.
not bad. There's a decent amount of
I
cards
call
there.
Yeah.
Neymar Jr. my Brazilian brother.
All right. Okay. Well, that's the pack opening. Again, this is the product. It's the Tops Match Attax booster tin. Artist of the game for season 23-24. It has, I believe, it's 42 cards plus the 2 signature cards.
That one's a shiny one.
Yeah, they're both foil.
And
I think we need to put Neymar Jr. up
And
showing
Neymar
off.
Jr.'s
Neymar
also
Jr.
foil
is a hit for this box.
card. It certainly is. Yeah.
Lovely boy
There we go.
needs to come in a
Here we
hard.
go. Yeah, we'll
You
put him
need
in
to
a,
put that in a hard sleeve.
we'll put him in the sleeve. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Well, thanks for watching.
See you next time. See.